we are down in Plymouth, down at Vosper's Ford. We've got a Tourneo Connect. This is a long wheelbase car, finished in Comet Grey. This particular car is a diesel, 2 litre diesel, auto, 7 speed, so it makes life as easy as possible. The car also benefits from a full panoramic roof, sort of see there, and also, although it's a long wheelbase one, it's actually got the second row delete, so the load bed is fantastic from a capacity perspective. So it still comes with the parcel shelf. Feels sort of academic really, but yeah, huge load bay there for whatever you need it to carry really. Yeah, that's fantastic. As I say, diesel auto, comes with all the things you'd expect from a modern car in terms of satellite navigation, air conditioning. This one also has heated seats in the front. You've got USB-C charging connectivity in the back, as well as in the front as well. Isofix on the outer 2 rear seats here, and the little zipped areas to be able to put the connection in, and the front passenger seat is Isofix as well. One of the clever little bits, little tables, which won't withstand a massive weight, but would certainly put a little bit of lunch on there. And the great thing is, if there was an accident, they do collapse down. Yeah, really clever. A little bit of design there. Really nice with that glass roof. Going into the front of the car, so you've got, as you'd expect, all electric windows, mirrors, little cubby holes all over the place as well. We've got one here, change and the like, auto lights, auto wipers. A really, really easy car to use and to get on with. All down at Vosper's in Plymouth.